Happy morning, students. Welcome to grade 6 day 5 English reading and writing class. Children, the last class we have practiced unit 1 poem and prose. Today we shall practice lesson 1 supplementary, a tale of two birds. Listen carefully, children. You have to practice this. You have to do the supplementary reader. That is, you have to practice by reading. So listen carefully, children. Look at the title. A tale of two birds. A tale. T-A-L-E. Tale of two birds. A tale of two birds. Listen carefully, children. Then you have to repeat along with me. A mother bird and her two young ones lived in a forest. The mother was killed in a storm, and the young birds were separated from each other. Each found a different home. Now repeat along with me, children. Read louder. A mother bird and her two young, Y-O-U-N-G, young ones lived in a forest. The mother was killed in a storm, S-T-O-R-M, storm. The mother was killed in a storm, and the young birds were separated, S-E-P-A-R-A-T-E-D, separated from each other. Each found a different home. There once lived a bird and her two newborn babies in a forest. They had a nest in a tall, shady tree, and there the mother bird took care of her little ones day and night. Again, repeat along with me, children. There once lived a bird and her two newborn babies in a forest. They had a nest in a tall, shady tree, S-H-A-D-Y, shady tree, and there the mother bird took care of her little ones day and night. Little ones day and night. Look at the next paragraph, children. Listen carefully. One day there was a big storm. There was thunder, lightning, and rain, and the wind blew down many trees. The tall tree in which the birds lived also came down. A big, heavy branch hit the nest and killed the bird. Fortunately for the baby birds, the strong wind blew them away to the other side of the forest. One of them came down near a cave where a gang of robbers lived. The other landed outside a rishi's ashram a little distance away. Now read this, children. Now once again read this passage, children. One day there was a big storm, S-T-O-R-M, storm, big storm. There was thunder, T-H-U-N-D-E-R, thunder, lightning, L-I-G-H-T-N-I-N-G, lightning, and rain, and the wind blew, B-L-E-W, blew down many trees. The tall tree in which the birds lived also came down. A big, heavy branch hit the nest and killed the bird. Fortunately, Fortunately, fortunately for the baby birds, the strong wind blew them away to the other side of the forest. One of them came down near a cave where a gang, gang of robbers, robbers, robbers lived. The other landed outside a Rishi's ashram a little distance away. Ashram, A-S-H-R-A-M, ashram. The other landed outside a Rishi's ashram a little distance away. Practice up to this, children. Children, in the last class we have practiced the page number 3. That is the 2 strokes we have practiced. Now let's practice the next one. First mention the date, children. First you have to mention the date, that is 16/8/2021. Mention the date, children. Look at this. Before start to write, you have to draw the lines like this. In between each stroke or in between each letters, you have to draw the line. Look at this, the letter. See, you have to start from, this is the stroke. You have to start from the second line to third line. See, start from here. Don't put like a W. It is a stroke, children. See, start from here. Then start from the second line, touch the third line, then put on slanting line. This is a slanting. Then again come down. Then again one slanting. So look at me how I am writing. The same way you have to practice, children. First you have to concentrate on the strokes. See, look at me. Start from here. Put on slanting. Touch this second line. Then again come down. Then again touch this line. Now look at me one more time. I am writing, children. See, look at me. Likewise, you have to write it. See, this line and then somewhat slanting. Touch this point and then come down. Again go above. See, look at me, children. Likewise, you have to do the strokes. Listen. You have to do the strokes. That is the dotted line. You have to join this. The tracing. You have to do the tracing is very important. Likewise, you have to do the tracing, children. After completing this tracing, you have to practice the same stroke for the 2 lines. Listen carefully. Look at me how I am writing here. Start from the second line and you have to complete with the third line. These 2 small lines. With this you have to complete it. Start from here. Then put like this and then go somewhat slanting. And then again come down. Again put slanting. Don't write as a W, children. So concentrate on your writing. See, look at me. Go somewhat slanting. Come down. Again it must be slanting. Here it should be slanting. One more time I am writing, children. Look at me. See, look at me. Come here. Go like this slanting. And then again come down. Then it must be slanting. This, children, like somewhat slanting. See, look at me. Somewhat slanting it must be. See, start from here. Come down. Go above. And then again come down. Put like this slanting. Should not be in a straight. It should be slanting. Like this, you have to practice this line. By the next line also, you have to do the same thing. See, look at me. Start from here. Come down. Go above. Put somewhat slanting, children. Come down. Again, it should touch. See, look at me one more time. I am writing here. See, likewise, you have to practice it, children. Concentrate on your writing. See, likewise, you have to practice. Start from here. Come down. Go above. Touch this point. And then again come down. Again, it should go above. See, like this you have to practice this. Children, now turn the next page, that is page number 4. Here the strokes is there. In between each stroke or in between each letters, you have to draw the line like this, children. It is very important. Then only you can write it neatly. So before that you have to draw the line like this. Look at me. This letters is in between the 2 small line, that is from the second line to third line. See, start from here. It should go above and then bend like this and come down and it should go above. See, again it should start from here. Should not start from here. Somewhat slanting. You have to touch the, you should not completely touch the line. Slightly you have to touch the line and it should go above and put a knot like this and come down and go above. See, one more time I am writing here, children. Like this, go above come down, and you have to go above. See, start from here, should not touch the line, just a slanting line, it should go above slightly and bend like this, come down. One more time listen children, start from here, go above, come down and go like this. Look at this, after completing this tracing, you have to go for the next line. Look at me, start from here, it should go above, bend like this and it should go above. One more time look at me children, start from here, it should not touch the line, just a slanting, it should go above, come down and it should go above. See, likewise you have to do the after completing this tracing, you have to practice this. You have to practice this line. See, after completing this line, you have to go for the next line. See, look at me. Start from here, go above, come down and bend like this. Again, one more time listen children. Start from here, come down and bend like this. Should not touch the line, just a slanting. It should go above like this. See, should go above. See, bend like this and it should go above. Likewise, you have to practice this children. First to do the tracing. Before that, you have to draw the lines in between each letters. And then you have to do the tracing. After that, you have to practice the next two lines. So children, take your supplementary book, a Pact with the Sun. In that you have to practice lesson 1, that is page number 1, a tale of two birds. Practice up to the first paragraph children. Read louder, pronounce it properly, open your mouth and read louder. After completing your reading practice, take your handwriting book, practice page number 3 and then page number 4, first 3 lines. So practice it well, mention the date, sharpen your pencil and then you have to write your handwriting. After completing your handwriting, take a photocopy and send it to me. Thank you.